Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Autumnaria Paper Collection by Craft a Clock. Craft a Clock paper comes from Poland and it is available in the USA at Sandpaper Road, and I'll link right up here so that you can go right to it. In the meantime, I'm going to flip through the paper collection starting with the 12 by 12 papers. And this is a beautiful fall collection. I just love it. A lot of great patterns. I love the florals. Look at that. Really nice. A good variety of the A and the B side of the paper. And in the 12 by 12, you get 6 sheets, and this is 250 GSM. Next, we're going to go through the 6 by 6. This is the same designs. Here you get 24 sheets, and I'll just flip through quickly so that you can see. So the same designs, just scaled down a little bit. This is great for small mini albums, or if you are a card maker. So it's the same set of designs, but it just repeats after that. So you get 24 sheets there. All the papers are 250 GSM, a nice heavy weight. Now in the 8 by 8 sizes, we have a few varieties. First, we'll start with the same designs as in the 6 by 6 and 12 by 12 that we have seen already. Just scaled to an 8 by 8 size. Absolutely great if you are a mini album or an 8 by 8 size scrapbooker, traditional scrapbooking. And then this repeats as well. So 24 sheets here in the 8 by 8. Now we also have a basic collection. So basic, these are coordinating papers with the collection that don't have the design elements. You're not going to see the animals in the corner. You're not going to see the, the buildings in the corner. These are just basic designs that coordinate, almost like the blank canvas, so to speak. This is great if you're making mini albums. Then you can make your base pages using the basic set and then embellish with the other collection, and then it repeats from there. You can embellish then after the fact with the other design papers. We also have the mix of the 8 by 8 set. Half of the set is in the design elements papers and half is in the basic set. So it's still 24 sheets total, but you've got half and half. This is really nice if you can't decide, or if you're making maybe a smaller mini album, so you want to have some of, like, these are the design element papers, right? And you go all the way through and you see the designs and the buildings and the animals and the corners, and just the same as the other, but that now you've got, and you've got 2 sets there with the designs, but then as you move through the pack, then you have the basic. So instead of 24 total sheets of one or the other, you've got a half and half. I really like the idea of the mix set, and then it repeats there going forward. I really like the idea of the mix set quite a bit because you get a lot more bang for your buck. And you get to experience the full collection that way. We also have, in this collection, we have the same scenario with the extras and embellishments to cut. There's an embellishment set, which is flowers and more. There's an embellishment set of autumn extras to cut. And then you have a mix. So that same kind of idea. Let me show you the autumn set first, and then I will show you after that the others. These are double-sided images, and they do work well. I've done it myself on my scan and cut machine. So they will work well. You just kind of have to experiment with your settings a little bit. Really cute images, and I have to say I like the mix of sort of cutesy images and eclectic type images. I really think that's smart, where it really kind of feels like a craft show, like walking through a craft show. And then it repeats after that. So that is the autumn set of the extras. Then we have the flowers and more set of the extras. Okay. Each of these sets has 18 sheets, double-sided images, plus on the back of the packaging, obviously it's not going to be a double-sided image, but you've got bonus images there. This is great. This is your fall decor, you know, extras, embellishment set here, butterflies and leaves and baskets, bouquets, that kind of thing. And I like these other additional elements of the typewriters and the pumpkins and that. And then it repeats after that. So 18 sheets there as well. Then the mix set, it's that same idea. So with this, you're going to get 1 page of each, which is really nice because then you get to experience all the extras that are offered. You just don't get the double set is all, but you get half and half. Really, really nice, good variety. Like I always say about the mini albums, if you're making mini albums, the mix is the great way to begin, especially if you're kind of new at it and you're not quite sure what you're going to need. Now, this does not repeat, but now here is the 1 page set of then the autumn. So you had the first half was the flowers, then you have the autumn coming after that, like the pumpkins. And again, the animals and you've got a mix of sort of eclectic looking and then sort of cutesy looking. Really, really nice. A variety of projects, cards, scrapbook layouts. You can even move this into your Thanksgiving type pages as well. Really great. So this is the Autumnaria Paper Collection by Crafty, available at the Sandpaper Road shop. Definitely check out the link in the description box, or you can just go to sandpaperroad.com and click on Shop Paper Collections and Autumnaria, and you'll find it right there. And make sure you hurry because stock goes quick. As soon as these videos go out, the stock goes quick. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.